of Georgia. Strapped barely making ends meet, craving beans and cornbread, oh yes. When I ran smack into my old buddy Pete, he says, strap yourself in, won't you, lonesome cowboy, and get ready for the rodeo of your life. If you listen, listen, listen and hold on, you get riches beyond imagination. So nice. Here's 10 Bitcoin, please take it. Take a hold and light, don't let these out of your sight. Keep holding on for the magic which awaits you, yeah. Keep holding strong in time to see it rise. Keep holding strong. Keep holding on, keep holding on, some cowboy, yeah. He says, strap yourself in, won't you, lonesome cowboy, get ready for the rodeo of your life. With the look in his eye, like my life was dependent on his words. Hold on, you get richer beyond imagination. So nice, so nice, so nice, so nice, so nice, yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep holding on, some cowboy, you'll be right. Lonesome cowboy, good times round the corner, lonesome cowboy. I've been trying to fuck me off, like the biggest fool you ever laid eyes on. Ferocious you can't contain, oh no. 15 getting buzzed by bodacious like he's out of control. On a four, gotta keep holding on. 20 spurs untangled up in the rope, no hope left in me. 50 getting hit so bad I'm struggling to cope. Only thing that I know is that I need to keep holding